Hello, everyone, and welcome to the second episode of our UAE tax podcast series. In this episode, we'll talk about the residential status of a taxable person. There are two types of taxable person, one of which being the juridical person, the other is a natural person. So, for a juridical person to be a resident, there are two conditions that, if any of which are fulfilled, a juridical person will be a resident in UAE. The first condition for a juridical person is if it is incorporated or established in the UAE, but it does not include a branch of a foreign juridical person. The second condition says that if a juridical person is incorporated or established elsewhere, but is managed effectively or controlled from the UAE, then it will be a tax resident of the UAE. As far as the natural person is concerned, there are three conditions, if any of which is fulfilled, a natural person will become a resident in the UAE. The first condition says that the person needs to have his primary place of residence and the center of financial and personal interest in the UAE. The second condition talks about the physical stay of 183 days or more in a 12-month consecutive period in the UAE. The third condition has three limbs. The first limb is the 90-day physical stay, at least 90 days physical stay in a period of 12 months. The second condition is that the person needs to be a UAE national or needs to have a valid residential permit in the UAE or is the national of any GCC member. The third limb of this condition says that the person needs to have his permanent place of residence in the state or needs to have a business or employment in the UAE. Thank you so much for tuning in for the second episode of the UAE Corporate Tax Podcast series. I hope you have a good day.